All done. Now, can you read that for me?
RHKSD.
So doctors, advanced keratoconus patient with multiple cross-linking done before, right? You had your cross-linking done somewhere else, correct?
Yes.
So despite that, we're going to proceed with LenzOplastique because based on my refraction, he does have potential. Can you read that? I'm pushing you.
SVHCZ.
Perfect. So given up at 2200, doc, he's reading even up and beyond that. Can you see anything there?
KORDH.
Fantastic. Pushing you. Don't have to.
That's small.
Yes?
Clear but small.
Go.
HVPC.
Okay. So at 2025, there's struggle. So now I'm going to do my $1 billion test, right? Is it worth doing surgery? So now, as you remember, I had done for you when I checked you first. Please, can you cover your left eye with your hand, please? And can you read that line?
No.
Perfect. Now take your hand off and give me a scale 1 to 10. How much better?
9.
Lovely. So doctors, that's the reason for me to proceed ethically and medically. Is it worth doing? So he's already been cross-linked, vision left at 2400, miserable, and young man is Africa. Yes?
Going after.
Lovely. So he'll be all over the world doing amazing stuff, and we're trying to help him there. And again, also make sure integrity is intact, which is 9 on 10 gives me enough reason to proceed given his guarded prognosis. All right? We'll get started. Are you excited?
Yep.
Yes? Lovely.
Very.
Very good. 3, 2, 1. So I just finished taking LenzOplastique on your advanced keratoconus. Can you tell any difference?
Yeah, it's clear. It's getting clearer.
Yeah?
Yes.
Any pain at all?
None.
How was your experience?
Very good. A lot better than the previous experience I had with cross-linking.
So this is a wonderful patient. He had previous cross-linking with his doctor. And how was that experience, you said?
Not fun.
Any pain at all with this thing?
No.
Now the doctor, you can see a perfect circle of sight right there, despite the very advanced cone. And right there, that always translates to vision, right? Congratulations and safe travels to Africa.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Here's the Mr. Amazing.
All done?
All done?
Yep.
A little bit different than the last go around.
Yeah.
Yes. He was telling me his experience in his previous.
Oh,
yeah,
it was
so-
brutal.
Yeah.
It was bad.
Really.
I like your name.
Yeah.
How was your experience here, Chase?
Oh, much better.
Yes. And can you tell a difference already?
Yeah.
Here, turn around. Look at them.
Yep.
Can you?
So even though he's
Yeah.
absolutely, even though he's a keratoconus patient, remember these are not even normal cases. And like I told you, I don't like people getting cross-linked and then flying to me. But despite that, you saw the light under the laser.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Did I keep my promise? No pain.
Yes. Yep.
Yes?
Done.
Again, have safe travels back to Africa. Send me pictures.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
Awesome.
Listen,
Yeah.
please. Chase, any questions?
Nope.
Eyes closed, boring on your back, and there's a bell inside. You ring your mom, shows up.
Yeah. Listen, and he won't use
Like he's here
it.
to discuss.
He's gonna milk it for all he can.
Come on.
Yay.
Great.
Come on.
Thank you.
Oh, come this way, please. Careful. So, they're all set. Danny's ready for me? Come on, I'll walk you out.
You want me to drive?
No.
Okay? You guys are here so he doesn't drive, okay? Careful. Careful in the hotel. I'll see you guys.
Thank
All
you.
right? Take care. Bye-bye.